Hello students, today we will learn how to use macros into your worksheet, or what are macros used for. Macros automate the Excel worksheet by enabling you to record complex command sequences. By using macros that perform routine tasks, you not only speed up the procedure, but you are also assured that each step in the task is carried out the same way every time you perform the task. So let's see how to record a new macro. You just go to the Developer tab, to the ribbon, that contains its own record macro command button. Just go to the file, options, or you can also press Alt plus FT. You're having the customize ribbon. In the customize ribbon, you just select the tab that contains the developer checkbox. Here it is. When you click this and you press OK, here you can see the developer tab. When you click this, you're having macros here. The shortcut to view macro is Alt plus F8. When you're going to click the macro button, then you're having the macro dialog box open here. This macro box is to run your macros, your existing macros. But firstly, we will learn how to create your macro. You press cancel here. There is an option to record your macro. When you click this option, it is asking you to name your macro. There are some rules how to name your macro. The first rule is you can't name your macro starting from a number or a symbol. You can start it from an alphabet. Just name it next line. The name of our macro is next line. You are having the option to create a shortcut key, that we are having the shortcut key is E, alphabet E. Store macro in this workbook, yes. Now description, you can have an idea for what you are going to develop your macro for. This macro is for entering cursor in a definite table. You press OK. Just wait. Yes, you press OK. Now you just stop recording. Now your macro is recorded. Now what we have done in our macro. When you're going to shift your tabs, it will go to full Excel sheet, you know it. But what we have done in our macro, we have just assigned this specific area. So that's why this cursor will only move to the specific area. So this macro is for this procedure, that it should be working only in the specific area, not on the full screen. So how to run this macro? Just go to macros. We are having the macro here, next line. When you run this, what you are going to have, you are shifting your cursor. Now I am pressing Control E. It is going on that tab where we have left the recording. Whenever you are going to another tab and you are pressing Control E, it will going to the another tab. Look, this is how the macros work. Thank you.